B note, A note, and G note. But first, before we can play this, we have to learn how to hold a recorder correctly. This is a recorder, and it has 6 holes on the front and 1 on the back. First off, you would take your right hand and you take your thumb and cover the back hole. Then your index finger, your middle finger, and then your ring finger, and then your pinky will just stay. Then you'll take your other hand, you'll take your right thumb, or your left thumb, and put it on the back. And then you put your index finger, middle finger, and ring finger in your pinky hands. And this is how you hold it correctly. And then you blow very gently on it. First off, I would like to go over some of the notes. This is a diagram for how to detect B, A, and G notes. The B note is the back hole colored in, and then the first hole. Then the A note is the back hole, the first hole, and the second hole. And then G note's the back hole, and then the first 3 notes all pushed in together. So, first off, let me play this for you for example. Okay. This is the B note. Okay. Now this is what the A note would sound like. And then the G note. Now, the key to holding this is you would always keep all your fingers over the hole, but whatever note you play, you would press down harder, to where you would have an indentation on your finger. So here we go. Here is the B note again. Okay, the A note, and then the G note. Okay. Now, as a class, we will learn how to master all these concepts. So, but remember to blow easy, because there's so many of us and we don't want it to be too loud. Okay. Now, as a whole club, now I'm going to pass out everyone recorders for technique, and then we're going to practice how to do A, B. So, let's go over again. So everybody put your right thumb on the back, then your index finger, middle finger, and ring finger. Then you would put your left thumb on the back for support, and then your index, middle, and ring finger. And this is how we're going to hold it. Now, when I say play the B note, you lift all your fingers up, but don't take them off the holes, just don't press down. And then just keep your right thumb and your right index finger pressed down. So this is what a B note would sound like. Okay. Now, for the A note, you would do the same thing. Just keep all your hands over the hole, but just do not press down, but just the first 2 in the back hole. So this is the A note. Okay. Now for the G note, you will do the same thing. So press down. Now, after that, we have learned how to play the B, the A, and the G note. Now we're going to continue mastering this, because later on you will play the last 3 notes. But we have to, in order to get these notes, we'll have to continue practicing. So, as a whole, we're going to practice the B note together. So here's the B note. The A note. And the G note. Now, after we have mastered this, we will learn how to play the other 3 notes. But once we have gotten familiar with it, we will be able to adjust going from B to like G. Now, so for instance, I'm just going to do an example. I'm going to